Hey guys, it's Tin Man. I am on the side of the road. I am in a very forested area. Rural road, but it is a Sunday. Lots of looky-loos out here or something. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to tell you some really good information here about this culvert and the wear and tear of it. I get people kind of kibitzing, making fun and stuff of me and my ideas and understandings that I put out a lot of information on. Anyway, so those people who do that, you know, just quit. That's why I don't get very many comments of negativity, is because I just delete you instantly. You being ignorant isn't going to make me realize that you're correct and I'm wrong. You being ignorant in the way of an asshole ignorant. And then when I do say things like that tree right there has obviously been cut by a chainsaw, is how it looks right from here. When I do say something like that, tell me how I'm wrong to have said that. Don't just, oh yeah, how could a chainsaw get in there and you make so much fun. Tell me how I'm wrong. So on these things, people can point out their understanding. But as soon as they're ignorant and they call a name to one of my other subbers or commenters or anything like that, bang, you're gone. So we got this culvert that actually works on an angle. Okay, I'm going to show you some stuff, okay? So we got this counter of some sort going on right there that we hear. That's very irritating, obviously. We're obviously right here. There's some nice little minnow trout in here, like 4 or 5 inches, and on the other side there, hanging out. But anyway, so you see the culvert and stuff. They're doing accounting. So in other words, the environmentalists or whoever with the government are thinking about doing some repairs here for some reason. Are they seeing some shifting? If you stand on the ground above when the trucks and everything are driving over, feels very like there's not an issue. Okay, so just remember that stuff. And I'm telling you right now, we're in Bigfoot land, and they can be a part of it because there are big riffraff rock over there that could be being shifted that they notice, and so on and so forth. I don't know what they notice, but I notice what I notice. And I wasn't going to bring out my camera, and then I decided to do it. I still have a little bit of time. And what I want you to notice is, I just want you to notice that mark on the top here. We'll go to where it's a little bit more lit up and stuff in the sun. Let's head to this spot right over there. We're going to stop and look at this, for it supposedly somehow has bounced here and done that stuff, and whatever supposedly was dragging on here, okay guys? And then here, there's a better one up here that will give us some good reference. This one does already, might not be, oh, he's not in the sun anymore, it's the next one. Look at this one. This is the one that, oh no, it's the next one. Yeah, it's the next one after this. This one's pretty cool. I did tap that and stuff, and you can tell it's pretty weak all here and stuff. What I like to notice is extra work gone on, other than the supposedly thing of steel. Like, are we getting a real iron color there? Is that from something else? Because that's all can be part of their mimic. Might smell like iron. But anyway, so you come here and you start noticing rocks here. Oh, next. Right here. Rocks being broken out. Cracked. Stuff like that too. You know, you do see a scrape line of something within it. I could be totally off on this one. But it is in the realms of some of the silliness that they do, or destructiveness, I should say. Shouldn't act like it's a joke. And so many times what I'm showing is different patterns on the sides of these that we will think are trucks also, because there's all that. Yeah, and we'll think it's them. Like there's a double pattern right here. Could it be a truck, I guess, but why is that sign still there? You know, like, what did one was the snowplow, and then the other one was the guy cutting the lawn. That's harsh breakage. Now that one with the big chunk over here before we take off, let's see if there's any remnants of any other bigness around there. Not on this side, but who knows when it happened, I understand. And nothing at all here, because they'll do that. They'll leave small fragments and stuff, and they'll take away. So whatever was going along here knows how to do it very efficiently, like I show you guys many examples. Or yeah, very efficient, yeah. Or it was something that was heavy, hard, strong. When it hit those areas where it took off the big chunk, it didn't seem to do a jump and skip anything. It seemed to just continue plowing straight through. You know, our snow this year was nothing. Not to say that snow plows and stuff didn't come down here, because they 100% did, and a number of times. So, but in all reality, the amount of snow we had back here, I can't call it, because we are a little bit higher here. But in town, our snow plows had to work, I think, a total of probably about seven days, I think, maybe this winter or something. The plows, not the sanding. So from the Tin Man.